Hey team, it's Friday the 29th of March. This is my week in review. I try to do this once a week to try to just show my wins and losses, and hopefully people can learn from it. I learn by doing and teaching. So this was a short week. It's Good Friday today. The markets are closed. So let's just jump into how my week was. Go over to my spreadsheet here. Everything in bold is what I've done this week. So line 20 here, I had this call out on AI. I had squeezed most of the value out of it, so I decided to close it, free up this capital, and cost me $1.03 to do that. I made $24 in premium. Then on line 22, another AI call, another buy to close. I had collected $28 premium, and that cost me another $1.03 to close that one out and free up this capital, $3,100. Then line 23 was SOXL. I had collected $76 there. I did another buy to close and cost me $2. So I like to do this, if I've collected most of the premium, like 90% or 75, 80%, sometimes it's good to close it out so you can free up the capital and put it to use again and make more trades instead of having to wait over the weekend where everything's not closed out, and it'll be closed out on Monday. So it's hard to get premium starting Monday when you want to do next Friday. You almost have to go out like the following Friday. So if I can close some of these out midweek or at the end of 1 week, then start some new trades, that's what I like to do. Line 24 here. Sorry, my voice is really bad today. Line 24, this Snapchat, I had a call out on that. The premium is very small, but this is one of those that's gone against me. If you watch my previous videos, you see I keep rolling this out. So this one expired. I have to put that as expired. And I'm just going to wait. I'll do another covered call on this and wait for the market to go up, for the price of this to go up. In the meantime, I can collect a little bit of premium along the way because I got the 100 shares. If it's not going to ever go up, I can probably just take my losses and sell at the current price and move on, use that capital for something else more productive. But for now, I'll keep collecting premium. Next line, I have this PLTR, cash secured put. I collected $23 in premium for that, and that one was assigned to me, so I've got 100 shares of PLTR. So these are all the ones that have expired, 3/28, which is Thursday. Again, it's a short week. The next one is this opened up a sell to open this put on Unity software. The strike price is 26, and I collected $38 premium for that. And I'm trying to reduce my overall average cost because I've got 100 shares of U that I acquired at a kind of a high price, and price has gone against me. So if I can get a lower price and collect 100 more shares, then I will have my average price reduced, and I can sell covered calls for a good amount of premium on that. Same thing with SoundCloud AI. This next line, the strike price is 6. I purchased these at 9. So I've got 100 shares. I'm trying to reduce my average. So if I can get another 100 shares using this put, I collected $65 premium for this. So that's good. But if I can reduce my average to like 7 or 750, then I can sell covered calls against this. And I can do 2 contracts because I'll have 200 shares of that. So I did. In the meantime, while I have my 100 shares, I did another call on the shares I do own, which is a $9 strike price. I don't want to sell these for less than I bought them for. So the premium was quite a bit less, 15, but I'll take it. It all adds up. And the next one was Unity software again. I've got the 100 shares, and strike price I put as 30, and it's a call option, and I collected $18 premium there. These are the kind of things I got to watch out for if I look at Unity software. My average cost is 35, so I really got to watch this. I don't want this to go above 30 and have these shares called away from me, because that'll be way less than my average cost to pick them up. So I keep an eye on these real close, but there's not a lot of premium you can collect if I went up to 35. So if I try to trade this, sell a call, and if I go up to 35, there's no premium there. So I'm doing a lower strike price to collect some premium. And again, I'll just keep an eye on this and watch it. It's not what you're supposed to do, but what you're going to do. And lastly, yesterday I opened this call on AI again with the strike price at $29.50. Collected $30 premium for that. So this rounds out my month. I'm over $1,000 for the month, so I'm very, very happy with that. Also did the same last month, just like a $25,000 account. So if I can keep doing this and add it up and keep adding to it, I'll be on track for my 10-year goal. I'm adding $1,600 a month right now to this. This month I added my tax return into there, so it's bumped up a little bit. And if I just keep adding to this and I keep getting a 30% return, in 10 years I should have roughly $1 million. I'm going to be increasing this addition to maybe $2,000 a month in the next year or so. So this will accelerate and definitely be up beyond $1 million in 10 years. And if there's any way I can do it faster, I'm going to look at that too. So for the rest of these that are expiring on 4/5, let's take a look at these. Here's this AI call, and I collected $15 premium for that. It's out of the money. It's still below the strike price, so that'll be good if I can just collect premium for that. Then there's the SoundCloud. I got a $6 put, and I got a $9 call. And on this put, I got a high delta, but that's okay. I don't mind taking. I don't mind acquiring 100 more shares of this because it'll reduce my average cost. Likewise with SoundCloud, I've got this Unity software, a put and a call on this. And I think what I'm going to do moving forward is to start acquiring more shares so that I can do, less. These are all single transactions with one contract, and I'd like to consolidate, focus on just a couple different stocks that I know and I like better, and just do multiple trades on them or do multiple contracts on them. So like this AI now, I've got 200 shares. I can do 2 contracts on that. Every time I do a trade, I can do 2 contracts and make double the premium. Sometimes it gets too busy to track all these, and some go against you, and then you got to really monitor them. And I'm finding that it's becoming quite kind of a hassle. So the ones I really like are SOXL and AI, and PLTR is one I'm looking at. Although it did drop based on some guidance by some analysts that downgraded it, so it's dropped a little bit. I'm going to keep an eye on that before I make any more trades on that. But that's it for this week. Again, I'm up 1,057 for the month. This is kind of an end of month review too. Next week it'll be start of April, and we'll start fresh with a new sheet. Hope you got some value out of this, and if you did, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos I've got always coming out every week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.